Listen, I really should be ashamed of myself. I haven't done anything with my hair in 2 weeks. Keep watching to see how I bring my curls back to life. Hi curl friends, welcome back to my channel and a special welcome to those of you who are new here. I'm Naturally Shanice, your favorite curl friend, and I have a ton of natural hair product reviews and tutorials. When I'm not doing my hair, I do love to share my personal fitness journey as well as skincare and beauty tips for those of us who are over 35. So be sure to check out some of my other videos, and if you find something that you like, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and turn on those post notifications so you never miss out. Well, first, let me say Happy New Year to you, curl friends. Happy New Year! Yay! Listen, child, we done made it into the year 2022. I distinctly remember, and tell me in the comments if you did this when you were younger too, but when I was a teenager and I was trying to be all fast and grown, I would count like in the year 2020, I'm gonna be this age. Ooh, and I'm gonna be this, and I'm gonna do this. And I just found myself reminiscing on how grown I thought I was, okay? And fast forward to celebrating New Year's with my family, where I was sitting on the couch, not doing anything very interesting, or New Year's-ish, I should say. And I was like, dang, man, I really thought I was gonna be doing it, okay? You couldn't tell me anything like 2 weeks ago before Christmas. I definitely straightened my hair. Now listen, I got no video of it, nothing. My son was sick, school was out. I was really just trying to survive, okay? But I thought it would be fun to straighten my hair to see how long it got. You can see that today, this is what the hair is giving. And it's time for me to wash my hair because I haven't touched it, literally have not touched it, okay? Y'all saw the back of my hair. Haven't touched it in about 2 weeks. It's been tied up in a scarf, and I started working out and stuff like that, which is why it's no longer straight. Anyhow, let's get into today's tutorial so that you can see how I transform my hair from straight to curly in a few really easy steps. We're gonna cleanse, we're gonna condition, we're gonna style, and we're gonna dry. Yes, I am back with Curl Mix because I love it so much. Here is the pure aloe vera shampoo, which in my case is actually almost gone, and I'm really upset about it. I love this shampoo because it's sweet almond fragrance that I'm using, and it's filled with fatty acids, protein, vitamin E, and magnesium, which are all really good for your hair and to cleanse it. So I actually had to switch to this Miche clarifying shampoo because I ran out of the Curl Mix one. So Miche, I love Miche. This shampoo is called Cleanse and is by Miche. It's a moisturizing and cleansing sulfate-free shampoo. It's packed with botanical extracts such as hibiscus and ginseng. What I love most about this shampoo is how easy it is to detangle during the process. The Pure Grapeseed Conditioner. This is from Curl Mix line. Again, this has Ultra Slip. It's supposed to hydrate your hair, and that's exactly what it does. Now, I'm actually gonna sit underneath the steamer with this and use this as a deep conditioner. Don't be afraid to use regular conditioner as a deep conditioner. I know that sometimes we can get attached to the term deep conditioner in order for you to condition your hair. But listen, conditioner is conditioner is conditioner. Look at how soaked my hair is before applying the conditioner. This is really important because how we obtain moisture and hydration to our hair is through water. Okay, and without water, the products can't penetrate your scalp. So if you're looking to deep condition, before you add more product to your hair, go ahead, wet your hair, and take your time to work in the conditioner. And detangling was a breeze during the deep conditioning process because I already detangled my hair up front during shampoo. Look at what a good cleanse and condition and a little steam would get you, okay? Look at this. Curls are popping, okay? No product. We see the middle of my hairs came together. Look at this. Look at that. For styling, I'm using the Pure Avocado Moisturizer, the key ingredient being avocado oil, which has a ton of conditioning qualities and a rich texture that is designed to nourish and hydrate. This is the Curl Mix Flaxseed Gel, which is really like gooey and lightweight in texture. It is designed to provide that hold, okay? So you're gonna do step 1, Pure Avocado Moisturizer, step 2, Pure Flaxseed Gel. You could section out your hair and use, a quarter-sized amount. And again, take your time working in the product. Let's go ahead and take this from the top. So you can see I already went through and started styling about a quarter of my hair. Now I'm getting into the middle of my hair. I always start off by sectioning out one big section, and then you can see I broke that big section into 2 smaller sections. Then I'm gonna grab this Curl Mix detangling comb. You could use whatever comb you want or brush you want to detangle and kind of smooth out the section. When I say detangle, my hair is already detangled, I'm just smoothing it out. Then I'm going to apply more water before applying the moisturizer. Why? Because water is the key to the moisturizer actually going into and penetrating the hair shaft, which really is going to, make for a better style that's going to last longer for multiple days. Okay, so I only aim to style my hair 1 time a week. So you can see I broke this section up into another 2-piece section. Then after applying the moisturizer and the flaxseed gel, I take my comb, you could use a comb or a brush, and I smooth it through. I comb through, then I apply product. I'm gonna comb through some more. And then as I comb through, I'm gonna smooth it out with my fingers. And that's how I get my curls. I'm gonna do the same thing here, and you can see the difference. The process doesn't change for the front of my hair. I'm gonna section out again, spray with more water, because by the time you get to the front of my hair is pretty dry. This is why Curl Mix, actually on their website, they recommend doing your hair in the shower so that your hair can be like wet. But of course I'm filming here, and that's why I'm doing it, outside of the shower. But as this last step, I wanted to show you guys how I smooth out the curls. So I comb here from the root to the tip, and I follow that comb through with my fingers, and that's how I smooth my hair to get these results that you see here. You can also see that there's hardly any excess product, and there's no product that's dripping, right? Well, water's dripping on the back, but I don't have a whole bunch of excess product in my hair. If you're a new subscriber, you will see that I use a diffuser to dry my hair. I love my diffuser, and I only wash my hair again every 7 to 10 days, so this drying time is very, very important. Diffusing is less damaging than just using a regular dryer, because it disperses the heat over a large area of your hair rather than concentrating it in one distinct area.
Girls, I'm back. Girls, I'm back.
That's how you know I'm happy with my hair, is when I start to sing. Okay, so this is the final, results here. Well, not the final results. What I'm gonna do is this. It is late at night and I'm filming. I don't have it in me to put on makeup. I don't have it in me to give you a razzle dazzle full-time, I'm a YouTuber, natural hair YouTuber ending, okay? So what I'm showing you here is really how I would actually do my hair in real life. Now that I got my beauty sleep, let's get into finishing up the style. I wrapped my hair at night, and you can see here after taking off my scarf that my curls are smushed down. So to help me bring the curls back to life, I'm going to use this Bonita Afro Balm. This is by The Dew. This is really a replacement product for your everyday moisturizer. It's a good alternative to heavy butters, pomades, and oils. It's designed to control frizz, and I really like this product. A little bit goes a long way. So after I worked the Bonito Afro Balm into my hair with my fingers just to kind of loosen up the curl, this is when I take my pick and I start at the roots of my hair and I just pick out. Notice that I did not run the pick completely through the curl. If you run your pick completely through your curl, that's where your frizz is going to come in at. So as you pick your hair, just lightly pick from the roots to kind of stretch out the roots of your hair, but don't run that pick all the way through your hair. I spend a lot of time picking out this hair. And then after I pick out the hair, because I noticed that some curls are tightly clumped together, I just took a dime size amount of the Bonito Afro Balm, and this is where I just kind of unraveled each of the curls. Any curl that, like this curl for instance, it's pretty big. So any curl that's big, I take my fingers, I smooth out the curl first before taking it apart, and then I take it apart and I finger coil it. The key here is to really make sure that your hair is 100% dry. If your hair is not dry, you cannot take your fingers through and finger coil it, because it's going to cause a lot of frizz. And so here I'm just going to keep doing this, looking through my hair, finding big chunks of hair that need to be finger coiled out and separated out. Again, always coat your hands with an oil. In this case, that's it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching and rocking with me. If you need more hair tutorials and inspiration, be sure to click through all of my playlists. I have everything from teeny weeny afros to finger coiling, hair steaming, diffusing, all of it. So if you find something that you like, be sure hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you never miss out, because we're curl friends. We shouldn't be missing out on each other. All right. Anyhow, until next time, bye curl friends.